Hello everyone, as you can see we have something a little bit different on the channel. It's not quite Lego, I know that going into it. Basically, sometimes I like to buy some of these off-brand Lego sets just for some mental therapy. They're not that expensive, and this one is actually a lightsaber. Actually, I don't think they call it a lightsaber. They call it a light sword, you know, copyright and whatnot. I'll leave a link down in the description for the Amazon here. This guy here, I think when I got it, it was like 12 bucks or something like that. So I was like, sweet. I think it's a little bit more than that right now. Just to give you a little idea as to what it says, this space war weapon, building block toys, the best creative gift for the movie fans and kids. You can do it on any day of the year. Which, yeah, that's true. Let's see if it actually says, yeah, it doesn't say which lightsaber it is. So let's go ahead and take this out. It is 127 pieces, so it's probably not going to be that large. It's probably just going to be nice to keep on the shelf and whatnot. It is for 6 and up. And I bet you guys can figure out whose light sword this is for here. Actually, it's funny. This says lightsaber. So what we're going to do here is go ahead and put this together. What I do like is that sometimes some of these off-brands don't actually include the printed instructions, and this one actually does. So I'm kind of excited about that. So we'll go ahead and put this in the background here. I'll probably speed this up as I'm making it. That way you guys don't have to listen to me ramble on as I go through it. But that way you guys can see what I see and see if it makes sense for you as something that maybe you want to put together yourself. As you can see, it looks like it comes in 2 different bags. Hopefully this all goes in order. As you can see, it's not going to be a very big lightsaber. If you have any questions, ask down below. If you're liking the video, give it a thumbs up. All right. All right, so that's the lightsaber, or light sword, or whatever you want to call it. It wasn't that difficult to put together. The instructions were okay, but I did run into a couple of small little snags, but as you probably saw, which is fine. But I mean, for as inexpensive as this thing was, compared to what it would have cost as an actual Lego piece, I'm okay with it. I mean, it's a decent size. Yeah, it's not 1-to-1, but it feels good. You're not going to be attaching any blades to it. It looks good. I think it'll look really good on a shelf, especially with some of my other actual Legos, and I'll leave a link down there if you're interested in taking a closer look at that. But yeah, it's a good-looking saber. I might actually try out the other one as well, which you might know whose lightsaber or light sword that is. And if you do know, make sure to leave a link down in comment down in the description area, or comment area. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyways, like I said, this was for a little bit of therapy here tonight. I do like putting together some Legos, or imitation Legos, as this is, but to take my mind off things, relax a little bit. If you have any questions about the saber, make sure to ask down below. If you don't already subscribe to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that a professional geek might find interesting, and me myself, being a professional geek, like to share things of interest to me and will hopefully be of interest to you as well. And with that, have a great day.